Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this video tutorial, we will continue our C++ programming series. In this episode, we will write a C++ program that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will reverse the arrangement of the given number by the user. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Here we are in our dev C++ integrated development environment, or IDE. So we will start writing our comment. So let's say, for example, /reverse.cpp. This will be the name of our file, reverse, and then the extension, because it is C++, is .cpp. Next, I will write down my name as the author of this program. And then the current date. Today is October, we have 10, 2019. Thursday at 9:43 p.m. So sharp include the first library file, iostream, using namespace std, and then int main, the starting point of our program execution, begin. We will declare a series of variables. Int num equals 0, we initialize already the value to 0, rev equals 0, and rem for remainder equals 0. Next, console out // new line, and then we have here the title of our program, \t horizontal tab, skip sequence character, and then we will write the title, reverse a number in C++, followed with a semicolon, and then console out /n, and then console out \t horizontal tab, give, it will ask the user to give a number, semicolon, console in for input, we have here num, semicolon. So in this portion we have already the portion that will ask the user to give a number, and then that particular value will be stored in our variable num here. Next, we will declare a while loop statement, while num not equal to 0, begin. So rem for remainder, num modulus 10, rev for reverse equals, we have here rev multiply by 10 plus rem, enter, num equals num divide by 10. Okay, so this is the processing portion of our looping statement. Okay, after we are done, the next will have a two new line rather, and then double quotation backslash t reverse number colon left shift operator rev semicolon, and then we will copy this portion, and then we will have here a message backslash t end of the program that tells the user that the program is already ended. Okay, so before we save our work, let us discuss now the different portion of our program. This portion is the variable declaration of our program. Reverse a number. This one is the title of our program. This portion will ask the user to give a number that is being stored to our variable num. Here we have the while loop statement that will perform a series of computation to reverse the arrangement of the given number by our user, and then next it will display the reversed value of a number in this particular portion, and then this is the end statement that will tells the user that the program is already been ended. So after we have done, the next step that we will do is to save our work. So we go to file, save as. So here we will go to our directory. So we have C++ video. So I will create a folder here, new folder, and then we will name the folder reverse number. Enter, and we have here reverse.cpp, and click the save button. After we are through with that, the next step that we will do is to check for syntax error. We go to execute and compile. Let us wait for our compiler to check for syntax error in our program. Okay, so we don't have any syntax error, so this is a good indication, but we have to run the program in order to check if the result is correct. So 1 2 3 4 5. So here we got it 54321, end of program. So it is already reversed. So let us make some correction on the formatting side of our code. Control S, save, and then compile and run. So okay, next compile and run. Let's say 2019. So 2019 9102. So we have here the right result of our program. Reverse a number in C++, and then we give a number 2019. I'm referring this to this year, 2019, and then the reverse result of the number is 9102. So we have the right result already. So if you like this video, before we end this video tutorial, I would like to thank to all the subscriber of my channel. I hope that you have learned something new in this C++ series, how to create a program in C++ to ask the user to give a number, and then our program will reverse the given number by our user and display the result on the screen. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorial. Until to the next video tutorial, this is Jake Pomperada. Say bye bye for now.